Assalamu alaikum dear kids. I'm your English teacher Ms Sehrish Javed. I hope that you all are fine by the grace of God. Kids, this is your English course book. And today we are going to read the poem Three Little Chickens from page number 20. Kids, in this poem we will learn that if we want to get something in our lives, then we have to do hard work. किड्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ विश करने से यानी सिर्फ और सिर्फ ख्वाहिश करने से कोई भी चीज़ हमें नहीं मिलती। अगर हमें कोई चीज़ चाहिए तो उसके लिए हमें स्ट्रगल, कोशिश और हार्डवर्क मेहनत करनी होती है। किड्स, इफ़ यू डोंट स्टडी एंड जस्ट थिंक कि आपके एग्जाम्स में फुल मार्क्स आ जाएंगे एंड आप बिल्कुल भी ना पढ़ें और सिर्फ सोचें कि फुल मार्क्स आ जाएंगे, तो क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि बगैर पढ़े आपके एग्जाम्स में फुल मार्क्स आ जाएं? नो, इफ यू वांट टू गेट द फुल मार्क्स you have to do the hard work. So kids, let's read this poem to know that what the little chickens want and what their mother said to them. Said the first little chicken with a queer little squirm. Kids, the meaning of queer is odd or funny. कोई भी चीज़ जो अजीब हो, that is called queer. And squirm means small twisting movement. पहला लिटिल चिकन अपनी बॉडी को बहुत फनी तरीके से ट्विस्ट करके कहता है, ओह, I wish I could find a fat little worm. Kids, as you can see in the picture, this is the first little chicken and he is just thinking that he could find a fat little worm. He is not doing anything to find the little worm. He is just thinking of the worm. Said the second little chicken with a little sigh of grief. Kids, the meaning of grief is sadness. Second little chicken बहुत उदास होकर कहता है, Oh, I wish I could find a little green leaf. Kids, as you can see in the picture, the second little chicken is also just thinking of the little green leaf. He is also not doing anything to get the leaf. Said the third little chicken with a sharp little squeal. Kids, the meaning of squeal is speak in a very high voice. बहुत ऊंची आवाज में बोलना. Third little chicken बहुत ऊंची आवाज में कहता है, Oh, I wish I could find some nice yellow meal. Kids, here the meaning of meal is powdered grain used as food for hens. And as you can see in the picture, the third little chicken is also just thinking of the nice yellow meal. He is also not doing anything to get the meal. Now see here, said their mother, from the green garden patch, if you want any breakfast, you must all come and scratch. उन तीनों लिटिल चिकन्स की मदर उन्हें कहती है कि अगर आपको ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, अगर आपको कुछ खाना है, तो आपको इस ग्रीन गार्डन में से अपने लिए खाना ढूंढना होगा. बगैर ढूंढे आपको खाना नहीं मिलेगा. So kids, in this poem we have learnt that we have to do hard work to get something. Kids, I hope that you have understood the poem very well. Kids, at the end poet का नाम लिखा जाता है, यानी poet उसे कहते हैं जो poem को लिखता है. But यहाँ पे anonymous लिखा हुआ है. Anonymous means not known, यानी poet का नहीं पता. So kids, you have to do the bookwork of poem Three Little Chickens from page number 21. Find a word in the poem that rhymes with given word. Kids, rhyming words ऐसे words को कहते हैं जिनकी एक जैसी आवाज हो. For example, cat, mat, bat, rat. Kids, here some words are given. We have to find a word in the poem that rhymes with the given word. Next, add another word of your own that rhymes with it. One has been done for you. आपने पोएम में से ऐसे वर्ड्स ढूंढ के यहाँ लिखने हैं जो इन वर्ड्स के साथ राइम करते हो, यानी इन जैसा साउंड देते हो, एंड देन आपने अपने से एक वर्ड ऐड करना है. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज स्क्वर्म एंड उसके राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं स्क्वर्म, वर्म, टर्म. सेकेंड वर्ड इज लीफ, ग्रीफ, ब्रीफ. स्क्वील, meal, seal. Patch, scratch, match. So kids, this is your 4th lecture's homework. I hope that you have understood it very well. That's all for today. Take care and Allah Hafiz.